What's up, y'all? We outside walking. Beautiful nature trails. Getting some of that oxygenes. Seeing the flutterflies, butterflies, don't fly. Damn deep holes, y'all. Y'all see that? Deep holes in the ground. I'm not sure why, y'all. That's a big ass hole. Sheesh. But we in Pasadena right now. Walking around. Shout out all the animals, all the plants, all the spirits, all the humans. The insects. Walking uphill right now. In the hills right now. Young Sage, tell me what you feel right now. I feel clear. I feel kind of in an intermission, you feel me? That in-between state, between states. Between seasons, times have changed. These deep caverns in the ground, y'all. It's hard to see because my shadow, but got holes in the ground. Back in the days, young sage. How y'all doing though? Just wanted a nice little positive check-in. It's May right now, getting towards the end of May, almost June. You got that June Gemini before the Cancer. Check out the wild sage growing on the ground, y'all. Sage patches. Can't patch the sage, we got sage patches. Patches of sage. As we walk in the stages. Getting that fresh air, getting that motion, hitting the rocks on the ground, charging up. Rocks in our bloodlines. We was touching the ley lines earlier. Dragon stones or dragon bones as they call them. Got this cutie oak tree looking like a shrubbery or a bush, but really in there is an oak. Shout out to oaks, shout out to druids, space students. We live in life. We hear that wind. Shout out to everyone in the wind. Riding that wind. Feels good to ride that wind. I miss riding the wind. But it also feels good to have my feet planted on the earth, walking around down here. It's cool. Super cool. I don't know if y'all can see it, but the moon is in the sky. I don't think y'all can see it. Right there. La Luna. Woo. Got some rare rock pieces, y'all, with the different layers. Swagger. Posted in past it, Nagna. All these scribbles made a path through the fire. I said I'm posted in past it, Nagna. All these scribbles made a path through the fire. Y'all know what it is. We're trying to see Pasanagna performed up in the hills. With the hills gotta have eyes. Can I get a witness? I got sage patches again, y'all. We're just walking past the sage. Sage walking by the sages. Young sage with the sages. The baby sages. Psilo shrubs. Shout out all the psilo shrubs. All the little babies. The younglings. We connected. But we also well respected. Keep it respectful. Safe amount of space. We got all these little squirrels down here running from me. Sorry, y'all. It's like a family of squirrels. Scribble squirrels. Scribbling squirrels. I was scribbling with the squirrels. Take a little sip of this agua while we here. Probably about to get a smoothie after this. Keep it healthy. Beautiful flowers, y'all. Beautiful flowers, y'all. Put it in the PsiloDex. It's kind of like the Pokédex, you know. Got all the info. Jeez. We really walking up right now, y'all. Y'all see the trail upward. Where are we going? Straight up. Straight up. Travis Scott voice, y'all. Straight up. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Yes, they. We outside. We making way. Straight up. Whoa. Thought I saw a piece of pottery, but it was a leaf. Eee. Still going, y'all. Yee-hee. Yahoo. 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 Yahweh. Yahweh. Yahweh, mi amor. Mani with Choni, my homie. Mani with Choni, my homie. Whew. Find some abalone. For surely. I am the upsetter. Catch that breath. Walk and be the test. There you go. Whew. Almost there, y'all. We did that. Woo. I made it up top. Drink some more agua. Hey yo. Made it to the top of the tower. Climbed the tower just to burn the fire. Now we're seeing the mountains from the top of the hill. Ooh, it's hot, y'all. Might need to splash the face a little. Also seeing another one of those keystones, y'all. I don't think y'all can see it, but I'll try. Can y'all see? Right in the middle of the hill, there's a little white rock, but it looks little from here. It's a pretty big granite stone. I call them keystones, key lines, ley lines, whatever y'all want to call them. We also see the tunnel under the hill, y'all. Little barrow. Got the houses on the hill. Got the mountains. That's what it be. That's what we see. Who we as we walk it free. It's all downhill from here. Just gotta keep it moving. Keep it grooving. Go get that smoothie. First workout in a minute, y'all. PsiloSage been inside, to be honest. More sage patches. But universe been calling me out. You feel me? Universe said, I'm calling you out. Time for you to step in to the purpose. Y'all see the tree on top? I might need to step up there one time. We did it. Had to step up. Got to step it up before you get stepped on. Said you got to step it up before you get stepped on. We out here, y'all. Beautiful sacred tree. Sacred geometry, you feel me? We got the sacred geometry with the rare flowers up top. I don't know if y'all can see that. Sacred geometry, only found at the top hill by the mountains. Holy shit, we out here, y'all. Heard a snake. Straight earthquake. Might have just been a coyote or a flying boat. I had to hop up out of there though. Too rare. Too rare to be recorded, apparently. Can't ignore it. Whew. This walk made us tired, y'all. but it's cool because the gym was closed. I guess Memorial Day, they're doing some like painting in there. There's all the workout stuff was covered. It smelled like paint, so decided to get outside instead. Yeesh. Sorry, we got a thorn in our boot. We're even seeing more trails that we could walk on, y'all. We could go over there to those trees. A little cross trail, but like I said, it's our first time out in a minute, so I'm just gonna keep it basic. Stick to the trail, one path, no backtracks, no turning backs. Happy to be alive, honey. Happy to be alive, honey. Hip hopping bunny. Outside in the hills. Shouts out to the red ants and the black ones and the blue ones, y'all. Y'all ever seen a blue ant? Keep it moving till the cows come home. Keep it moving so sage can't be cloned. Too rare with it. Outside, we're getting to it. Getting towards the end of the trail, y'all. Probably gonna end the stream in a few minutes, so just giving y'all that heads up, a few minute warning. Once again, just want to do a little check-in, show y'all we still out here, still in here. Daily-ish. I'm seeing walls in the hills, man. Seeing bricks up in the hills. Trying to see where that leads. Trying to see what it feels like. Should have worn my glasses. I'd be able to see a little better down there. But what I'm seeing, I don't think y'all can see it. What I'm seeing is somewhere around here, some like brick looking ish. But hard to tell. Might just be some like plants. Or some like someone who is planting. Interesting. Very interesting. It's just another house on the hill. It's just another house on the hill. Just another house on the hill. Just another house on the hill. Y'all see these line of rocks, y'all? These are not sandbags. Peep, y'all. I don't know if y'all can see from here. Right here, y'all. Y'all see that line? That's not sandbags, y'all. Those are like big rocks. Old wall or something. You feel me? And it keeps going, y'all. It's like, it's hard to see it. It's like on the hill too, right here. Y'all see that? Wachi Changa. Just a PsiloSage. Some birds now saying hello. The birds be saying hello. talk. Oh, I ain't said much about it in a minute, but y'all know I've been big on GameStop, the company. Y'all heard that they trying to acquire eBay? GameStop eBay merger. We got like called e-commerce. Yes. Looks like a freaking like Coliseum. Don't peep this. Whoa, these folks' gazebo looks like a UFO. Yo. Big property. Nothing stopping me. Walking the world, yo. Who's outside right now? The moon is, and the sage is. Next time, we're gonna hit the hills up there behind us. Next time, we're gonna walk right up to this oak tree down here. So that's what we on next time around. So for now, about to end it. Go get that smoothie. Chill out for a bit. Check in again soon. Hope y'all having a great Monday, moon day, rest of your day. Just seeing a little bird saying hey. Have a blessed week, y'all. Stay based.